Hello everyone, welcome to Pasora Learning. Today I will going to give you a demonstration about how to present the topic virtual reality in any seminar. So let's get start. My name is Sonali Naik. I am a student of MPC Autonomous College Baripada studying in 5th sem of Master of Computer Application. Today I have a small presentation on the most popular and my personal favorite topic virtual reality. So let's start it. Then types of virtual reality, hardware used in virtual reality, some of its applications, benefits, lastly conclusion. So let's start with the introduction. The first thing that comes to our mind is what is virtual reality. So the word virtual means something imaginary which has no physical existence, and reality means real, but in this case reality means something that feel like real. So we can say that virtual reality is an imaginary surrounding. Now come to definition, which says virtual reality is a computer generated simulation of a 3D dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipments. Then comes to the types. So, virtual reality is of three types: immersive virtual reality, non immersive virtual reality, and window on walled virtual reality. Now, we are going to discuss about all these types of one by one. First, start with immersive virtual reality. In immersive virtual reality, a person is completely immersed inside the virtual 3D world. Just look at this picture. Here, a boy and a child were wearing a VR headset and they are feeling like they are really inside the scenery they were watching. This immersiveness is created by surrounding the user of the virtual. Then, non-immersive virtual reality. In non-immersive virtual reality, the user is not completely surrounded by the virtual 3D world. As you can see, the user uses some electronic equipments and a large display is placed in front of them. This type of virtual reality is generally we see in gaming. The action that performed by the user is exactly followed by the guy inside the game. So you feel like you are the one who is playing the game. Now come to the window on world virtual reality. Here system use a conventional computer monitor to display the virtual world. Visual world. Sometimes it is also called as desktop virtual reality. Let's move to the next slide. Here we talk about the hardware devices that are used in virtual reality. So there are two types of hardware devices. One is input devices and the other one is output devices. So input devices include PrioVR, in which sensors are put in user's body and the action done by user is exactly followed by the guy inside the console. Also, Leap Motion, Razer Hydra, Control VR, examples of input devices. And the examples of output devices include headset, 3D audio, etc. Now here are some very good application of virtual reality. So and feel like we are in the middle of the of that movie or concert. The picture we see become more clear and attractive. Another application of VR is in the case of medicine. Doctors and surgeons can perform any type of operation to improve their skill and learn from the virtual environment. The next use of virtual reality is in the field of manufacturing. The engineers can easily design cars and bikes and also modify them when needed. Virtual reality also provides simulators for flight, ship, tank, etc. Simulator is a machine designed to provide realistic limitation of the controls and operation of any vehicle. Now comes to the benefits of virtual reality. It creates a realistic world. Yeah, that's true. User gets a world for performing their experiments. It makes education more easy and comfortable. So, we come to the conclusion that visualization of complicated large data is helpful for understanding and analyze by VR. It offers us a new way to interact with computer. Also enables us to experience the virtual world that is impossible in real world. It changing our life. Eventually, VR will increasingly become a part of our life. Thank you.